purpose of this assignment, the security subcommittee.
Wonjoria gatagati ka bũrũri wa Kenya na mabũrũri marĩa marĩ rungu rwa ngwatanĩro ya COMESA ĩrĩa kaingĩ ĩcũthagĩrĩria wendia wa indo iria ciumaga gũkũ bũrũri-inĩ thoko-inĩ ya mabũrũri maya ma ngwatanĩro ĩno. Mwandĩki mũkaru thĩinĩ wa Ministry ya Wonjoria Regina Ombam augĩte nĩ ĩgacĩrĩte kumana na mĩtaratara ĩrĩa ĩkoretwo ĩkĩarĩrwo nĩ thirikari.
In terms of Kenya's trade in the region, our exports in the COMESA region have been doing very well. I think in the last year we were already at 2.20 million US dollars in terms of what we export to the region, and this has been increasing over time, say from around 1.1 billion to 2.20 billion currently. So this is actually showing an increasing trend, an indication that we really have a good market within the region.
Mwena wa Naivasha kuria ministry no egomanite na kamiti ya ngwatanĩro ĩno nĩguo kuharĩria kĩgomano gĩa COMESA kĩrĩa gĩtanyĩtwo mweri wa 10 mwaka ũyũ. Amemba ngwatanĩro ĩno kuma mabũrũri 21 nĩo maratanywo gũgekinyia gũkũ bũrũri-inĩ.
Every year we hold this summit to actually get us to understand what COMESA as a regional bloc does, the benefits that it brings to our region, and also to flag out some key issues around trade and how best it can be facilitated as we look at the entire global ecosystem.
I believe that the summit that is coming ahead of us and the business-related engagements that will be taking place before will help our country to grow our exports beyond what we are doing right now. And the pride in import and export trade is we also believe that we also get a lot of imports coming in from COMESA, so that whatever the outcome is, it is win-win for COMESA and for ourselves.
Hĩndĩ ya kĩgomano kĩu, mĩhĩnga ĩrĩa ĩkoretwo ĩgĩcũngĩrĩra gatithio wonjoria-inĩ gatagatĩ ka mabũrũri ma ngwatanĩro ĩno nĩ wega korwo ĩkĩmũrĩkwo. Ngĩribotera Inooro TV, njĩtagwo Ani Ngigĩ wa Nyamũ.